This video is long overdue. By popular demand, the Cyberpunk edit tutorial blah 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 videos here. We're going to show you how this image became this. A relative popular image on my page provided by a friend, so it's not my image. It wasn't taken on a DSLR. It's in JPEG format, not in RAW. Editing photos in JPEG isn't impossible, just limiting, especially when working with these. You only get these options right here. You don't really get any other profiles. But note that I have my settings for that edit written down. So I'm just gonna copy and paste them here in this tutorial. You guys can deal with that as you will. You can adjust, do whatever. I'm just giving you guys a base of how I did my edits. If this video does really well, I might make a preset pack. My issue with presets is that they don't go with every image. They don't translate well into, like, let's say you take a photo in the day. But let's say you have a photo like this taken at night and it's raining, might work well. Some people I know argue that presets are lazy, but I wouldn't mind giving out a preset to people who like my work. But just watch the video, copy it, do whatever. Like I said, adjust it as you will. Enjoy. And that's really it. I think there isn't much of a difference. The only thing I know I got wrong was the tone curves. But, that's it really. Nothing much to it. If you guys want more tutorials of photos on my page, if you guys want to know, hey, just leave them in the comments. But remember, this video does really well. Preset. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy. Do whatever. Go. Make your Cyberpunk edits. Go. Get out there. Become the next hit Cyberpunk man. Cyberpunk 2077 is coming around the corner.